घर पे बन रहा है comfort meal, slow saute on a low flame, got that easy vibe. Kitchen की warmth में अलग ही है life, सौंधी खुशबू से भरा है space. Kitchen lights are lo-fi, chop chop, sun-kissed veggies, सुनो तवा की siblings आहा, slow simmer पे दिल नो जल्दी, मसालेदार सी ये journey, एक अलग ही सुकून you see, ये घर का magic for me. हाँ, warmth in a recipe, warmth in a recipe. Flavors mingle, a little bit of that golden caramelize, just a pinch of salt to make it all come alive. Oh, this is my kind of love language, every little dash and every fold is true. Oh, this is my kind of love language for you. The sizzle starts a slow talk in the warmth of the kitchen. A patient simmer sings its tune, the aroma a soft fusion, just a pinch of everything. This slow blend fills the whole room, yeah, this patient feeling. Late night kitchen, just the low hum of the fridge mean. That first sizzle of oil in the pan, a soft whisper, aromatics dance, the smell of home. Slow simmer, sab theek lagta hai, ek pinch of this, ek pinch of magic, her whisk, her fold, sukoon, my kind of comfort meal, all mine. Knife whispers on the wooden block, golden light ignores the clock. Muzzle box, a little universe, smells better than any verse. Slow sizzle in the pan, a gentle tune, underneath this sleepy moon. Just me and the steam and the soft kitchen glow, taking it easy, taking it slow.